My beloved audience, have you ever learned how to swim by just watching YouTube video? Okay, you can watch the swimming all day, but if you never jump into the water, you will be drowned in real life. And that is the same reason for learners. Today, I'm here to show you that active participation isn't just helpful, but it is a secret weapon for every great learners. To begin with, I would like to pay my highest and greatest respect to Chair of Ceremony, BELTEI Management Teams, Honorable Judges, all listeners, and all my beloved participants. Very good afternoon. My name is HOEURN MONYBOTH, a level 6 contestant from BELTEI International School Campus 1, Kirirom. Today, I have great honor and very excited on myself to be chosen as a competitor to standing here and explain all of you with a remarkable topic, which is the importance of active class participation in learning. But before we dive into our topic, I would like to share all of you some keywords first. According to Oxford Dictionary, the word active means always busy doing things, especially physically activity. Participation means the act of taking part in an activity or event. And the word learning means the knowledge that we get from reading or studying. Everyone, are you ready? Now let's hop into our topic. Today I have 3 main points for explanation. Number 1. Active participation boosts our understanding. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever seen someone build muscle by just watching others exercise? No, right? And why do we expect our brain to grow by just sitting or listening? When you sit or listen, you're just using a small part of your brain. But when you try to speak up, answer the question, discuss with your teacher or your classmate, your brain will become fully active. You remember more, you understand deeper, you grow faster. Based on the learning pyramid model shows that we remember 10% of what we read, 20% of what we hear, and up to 90% of what we say and do. So if you want to remember more, don't be a quiet sponge, be an active learner. More than that, Albert Einstein, a famous scientist, he once said, "I never teach my pupils, I only provide conditions for learning, and that conditions is participation." Point number 2, speaking up builds confidence. When you join the discussion in class, you are practicing speaking up in front of others. And this regular practice will help you to overcome shyness or fear. And it will build your confidence stronger in your ability. According to the study of American Psychological Association in 2010, shows that students who participate in class are more likely to build up their self-confidence, communication skill, and leadership ability. Let's be honest, I remember that day. I raised my hand, feeling smart. And I said something like, "The capital of Japan is sushi." The whole class laughed. I laughed too. Was I embarrassed? Yes. Did I die? No. Did I learn? Yes. I gave the wrong answer, but I gave it with courage that most people never find. Even if I answer the question wrong, my teacher still smiled with my answer. He catches my point and rebuilds it. This is how I confident growth. When you speak, sometimes you make mistake, and then you laugh. After that, you get better. Moreover, you cannot build your future by just sitting in silence. Point number 3, active participations help everyone, not just you. Have you ever wanted to ask a question, but you were too shy to ask? But when someone else asked the same question, and then you thought, "Bro, thank you." Have you ever? Of course, when you speak up, you don't just help yourself, but you help others to understand, stay engaged, and feel braver too. Class becomes team, energy comes alive, and learning becomes something we do together. As a classroom expert, Mr. Doug Lemo, a professor from Harvard University and also a writer of a famous book named Teaching Like a Champion, he said, "Great classrooms are built with student voices, not just teacher talk. So don't let your teacher talk alone, let's be together." My beloved judges, ladies and gentlemen, in my conclusion, active participation helps our brain smarter, our confidence stronger, and our classroom better, like the triple weapons of greatness. Today's voice becomes tomorrow's victory. Be the guide, not the ghost. Speak up, ask bravery. Let your voice be the reason someone else learns. We are not learning just for grade, but we shape kind of citizen that our country needs. So, in the time our border face challenges, we always reminded ourselves that the true protection starts with brave voices and strong nationalism. We cannot always depend on others. We must prepare ourselves, starting with active education. Now, my speaking is coming to the end. I wish all my participants to meet 4 Buddha blessings: longevity, nobility, health, and strength, and a special wish. Please never close your mind and heart without opening your participation. Thank you for your listening.